Hello, I bought this kind of Abloy PL340 Exec without key. Let's try to pick it. This is this Finnish style. So not so much space on the keyway. I have this kind of blank. I can try that it's functioning. So first I oiled it a bit. And I can test that it's functioning with this template. Okay. Then let's try to pick. Maybe there. Maybe there. Maybe there. It feels nicely in the last one. I lost. What was at the gate? This is at the gate and then the last one. Okay, let's try that one. This feels to be at the gate. This is nice. This is good. This is good. This is good. Maybe okay. This was good. Now now this is good. This is good. What is now bad? This is good. 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 Just to be at the gate. Okay. Okay. This one is problematic. Yeah, it is. I found. Okay. It opened like this. Then let's get it to see what kind of lock it is. Like this. Now I remove this one now, and so I made this kind of big, almost center aligned one keyway side using, and then I have shaped this side so that it's fitting to most of the, or some of the locks, not all, because the tensioner is based on the key. Okay, let's open this. Dirty. Need also this. It's here. Okay, first is this. First thing, maybe against drilling or something. Let's see if I can get all out nicely. A bit dirty, but it's old. Spring, sidebar, in Finnish exec, this is very narrow here, not easily space for 2-in-1 big both keyway side using. This is a bit bended. First disk, there's some master keying. Spacer, second disk, no master keying. Third disk, some master keying. No master keying. Some master keying. I don't know where this lock has been used. Oh, I think this turned upside down. There is also some master keying. I think if you buy just one lock, it does not have a master key. Maybe this has been in some bigger. There's also master key. No master key. No master key. Spacer and the last. This is just the profile. A bit dirty, but no other problems. Actually, I could make a short video also how big functions with this lock. I will do it now. Okay, so here's this exec lock. If we try with this kind of key that has this end differently shaped, even it's fitting to the lock, it's not able to turn it. So that's why I made this blank in a way that it has those both sides. So now if I turn it with this, it turns like this. I also heavy today. Okay, now it's better. Okay, and then the picking tip, it also has how this tensioner has shaped on the both corners. So now if I put this to the lock like this and turn like this, now you see that it's tensioning from the first and last. Or actually from the last, but first is also turned correctly. Now if I try how it's able to move discs, if I go to the last one, it's able to move whole angle like this, and the first one also whole turning angle like this to both directions, and of course all between them. Now I noticed that there's some shaping in these spacers here, here and here. I don't know if I assembled this. There is also some shaping, and here maybe I accidentally put these other side. Maybe it should be aligned, but I don't know the reason for that. Or is it just some, it looks like it's made. I don't know. Okay, but this kind of pick I used. For this look. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.